Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Friday Night Mastermind with the S3 Method. My name is Scott Starnes. I am one of the admins for our particular group. And tonight I want to talk a little bit about what's in your toolbox. As a business owner, as a marketer, you need to have specific tools in your toolbox. And this particular company is designed specifically for helping affiliates make money without having to recruit anyone. So give me just a second, guys. I'm having to do this on my phone because my internet